thought he stopped. He got real slow.
He had a green light though.
And so did I, and I was already turning when he was going.
Who has the right of way?
Isn't it me?
No, you're
Oh.
turning. He's coming straight through. Let's make a right lane change here. You must wait for oncoming vehicles.